Ganay. Welcome to my first ever vlog. No people are gagging for this because I've been consecutively posting on Facebook. Actually, just random activities that I want to do in Facebook. So, I am just thinking of what content should I be using. Finally, I was able to find out what's the best content during this time. Ang dami-daming tao and businesses na nag-open this pandemic. So, I decided to promote their items. Lahat yon sobrang affordable. And don't judge me yet on how to review. I'm trying to learn it. Pero what we're gonna do would be check on the swatches and also the shades. All of the items are coming from my friends. So, let's all support local businesses just as I do. So, alright, here they only have 3 for now. So, I'll open first this item from Kiko Cosmetics. So, this is from my high school friend. And, ayun. I didn't actually selected any tints for myself. But I asked them what's the best shade for me. And, yeah, they gave me dark shades and some that I know right now it's gonna be nude pastel. Alright, for our first item, that's gonna be these water-based tint Madison, and the other one is cranberry. I have already opened one, which is Madison. Let's check the packaging itself. It's vacuum sealed. That's good. Like, you know that it wasn't used ever. I'm not good with unpacking. Ayan, para sa mga OC. Okay. I love how it looks. It looks aesthetic. However, I cannot really see the logo in here. Let me try it out. Nagmamat ata to eh. It smells powdery. And yung iba kasi with if sobrang tagal na naka-store, normally bumabaho siya. But this one, on point pa rin. Spot on. Okay. I like this shade. Na yung lately, ito yung mga bet ko. Ayoko na ng mga dark shades. So, minsan okay pa din, pero parang ang cute ng ganitong shade. Let's try the other one. I think this one is darker. This one, orangey. In-expect ko darker siya. Okay, so I transferred them here kasi hindi siya masyadong kita sa camera. So, there. I actually thought this is darker than this. Pero hindi pala. So, this one is Madison, and then the other one is... So, this one is Madison, and then the other one is cranberry. Unbox na ako. Na-excite ako. This one is from Kiko of Manila. And every time I purchase any item from them, nagbibigay siya ng letter. Oh, take a look at it. Thank you, Kiko. Friend ko din to. She has given me Anya, Bella, and Katrina. So, let's check. Well, ito talaga yung mga bet ko shade lately, hindi dark. Pero, gusto ko pa din makakita ng dark kasi sobrang lagi ako nag-red lipstick. Why? Kasi it captures, attention. But right now, don't capture any attention. Gusto ko subtle lang. So, let's check. Try natin yung pinkish. So, packaging, same. So, I'm trying Katrina. Tignan natin kung ano yung scent nila. Smell. Ayoko mga ganun. So, parang powdery. Ito powdery din yung cute. Okay, let's try. Ooh, this one is stronger than dun sa first tints na ginamit ko. Kasi tignan nyo, isang apply ko pa lang to Diba? Look how dark it is. So, ito feeling ko bet din. Solid. I love this. It's spot on as well. Pero kung gusto ko talaga na parang chill-chill lang, yung isa ang kukunin ko muna. Okay, let's check. So, if you guys like this, it's Katrina. Ito. Tignan natin kung gano'n ba kasatot. Sobrang, grabe yung packaging. Bet. Or hindi lang talaga ako sanay mag-open. Alright, I was able to take it out. And this one is Bella. Let's check it out. Tingnan natin kasi, yung kanina, medyo nakailang swipe din ako ay, lagay. Oo nga. Okay, alright. This is darker actually. Pretty much same shade. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero, darker siya pag in-apply. Ang bango talaga ng mga things. Okay, so I was able to tell you already and show you Bella and Katrina from Kiko or Kikai's of Manila, where they call it the premium stain. Well, from the name itself, it shouted out premium stain naman siya. Okay, let's the last one that I showed you is Anya, and based on my survey, amoy daw siya Play-Doh. Alright, last package, and this one, next din talaga ako dito kasi this is from my college friend. Let's see if she has anything. Okay, let's check it out. And if you guys want to start business, I think it's best to you pay for this kind of stuff and resell it. Kasi sobrang bilis ngayon. Ang patok niya talaga lately. Okay, nakita niyo yung package. Sobrang dami, girl. Beeps, ayaw mo magpagamit. Okay, ito, nakita ko na lang. See, diba ang daming packaging? Hanggang sa last, niya, eme niya. Okay. And buong-buo yung pangalan ko on April. And let's check it out. So, based on the page, it says that these are organic. I wasn't able to check the others, but probably on my next review, I'll do a research and check on them. Okay. See, this one has a different packaging. It's cute. Usually, I see the tints on this kind of package. Kaya, natuwa ako na nakita ko. Kasi para siyang... Well, may mga nakita naman talaga akong ganitong design. Or yung local lang siguro. Hindi ko masyado napapansin may ganito. Pero, ayun, diba ang cute? Parang... Oh my gosh! Amoy siya cherry. Gusto ko siyang kainin, tas mukha pa siyang polish. Okay. Dito ko na lang sa kabila ilalagay. Let's test it out. And this one, another cute thing that you can really remember the name of this tints is, and the shade is because they use the days. So, Monday to Friday. So, this one is Friday. It's called Friday. So, let's check it out. Pero sobrang bango. May cherry to. And I think this is the one that she recommended kasi sobrang mahilig ako sa dark. See, Friday. And it's from Basic. Tapos, siniship pa nila yan from Laguna. Diba? Okay, let's check the other one. Alam ko, hanggang end of June, meron pa rin silang sale. So, 200 for these two items na. So, ito yung isang yung shade na binigay. I think it's dark din. Wednesday. So, sobrang nakilala niya kasi talaga akong ganitong mag-shade nung college. Kaya ito yung mga pinagbibigay niya siguro. Oh my God, ganun talaga yung amoy. Parang fruity. Hindi ko sure kung cherry, pero fruity sila both. So, piling ko talaga college days. Para tuloy ako naglalagay ng lifeline ko dito. Jumanji. So, ayan. Alright. Maganda na dark. Pero ang bango. Okay, so those are all of the tints. Hopefully, in the future, for my next succeeding videos, I'll be showing more. And thank you, swear, but I'll be really, using products or getting items from local businesses para ma-promote naman din natin sila. Support local tayo. And check ko rin, I'll check all of the contents kasi not everyone has this type of skin. Ayun, hindi hiyang sa item na yun. So, ayun. So, if I check on, hindi ko pa kasi natitignan lahat ng kung gaano sila magsistay. Hindi ko pa na-check. Pero, everything, may maganda sila. May, pros talaga na nagustuhan ko. If I'll be going out, tapos nagmamadali ako mag-apply, I would rather use Omniaria Cosmetics. Because, sobrang subtle niya. At sobrang, kailangan ilang lagay ka pa. So, kapag nagmamadali ka, okay lang. Kasi, patong ka na lang ng patong. Unlike, if you put on, matte talaga from Kiko. sobrang solid kasi siya guys eh. Oh, kita nyo naman yung pagkamat niya, diba? And isang wipe pa lang. So, ito, probably if marami kang time, ito gamitin mo para maaayos-ayos mo pa siya. Okay? And ito, the best talaga yung scent. So, scent, and then yung packaging na nakakaiba. Sobrang cute. Parang maaalala mo siya. Siguro maganda rin marketing strategy, no? Maalala mo siya dun sa shape niya kasi. Pero yun. Ang tagal niya lang matuyo, sis. Ayan, no? Ang dami ko nang sinabi dito. Dito pa. Siguro that onting apply. Now, I'll try this kasi mukha ako nagpipaint at mukha siyang madaling ilagay. Then, I'll use a Friday kasi nga ito yung sinelect niya for me. So, I'll be say hello to my mirror. So, kung di maglalagay ng lip. So, that will be it for now. And I really enjoyed making this kind of video. And it's not gonna be really the last thing or last time. But right now, okay naman na siya. But if you love any items from these local businesses that I've stated, Omniara, Basic, and Kiko, they have a lot of shades. You can check on their page. All of the links are in the description box. And always remember to wash your hands, because it's really the norm now. Be safe, everyone. Really glad that I was able to finish my first ever vlog, and it's not gonna be the last time because a banana a day keeps your worries away. So if you haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please do so. And don't forget to click on the bell for you to, get notification. And I'll keep on bugging you. Thanks for watching.